Hello, welcome to the Alt Phone channel. iPhone camera blinking when you go to take a photo? There are loads of reasons why your camera might not be working properly. And we're going to try and get to the bottom of the irritating issue so that you can get back to taking incredible photos on your iPhone without that horrible blinking. Way 1. Disable camera flash. If you forgot to turn off the automatic flash, all you need to do now is turn it off first. Just check and turn it off like this. If you are sure there are no abnormal settings, then you can try the next solution. Way 2. Force restart iPhone. To force restart iPhone, we need to press the volume up button, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Now we land back to normal home screen. If these methods don't work, maybe you can try a repair tool. Solution 3. Use repair tool. In this way, we need to use a tool called Alt Phone iOS System Repair. Follow me to try it. Just connect your iPhone and open Alt Phone iOS System Repair on your computer. Now we click Start button. Then click Standard Repair to proceed. This option will save your data. Then hit Download to download iOS firmware. Now you can click the Start Standard Repair and wait for it to repair your iPhone. Well done, let's have a look. We come to the normal screen. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.